Okay, a lot of people on the channel are diabetic or pre-diabetic, and they're asking me, what would you do? Which fruits are low in sugar? What should you eat? So I want to do this video in the perspective that if I had type 2 diabetes, what would I do? Well, first of all, remember, diabetes is caused by the overconsumption of too much dietary fat. So the first thing you have to do is eliminate fat from the diet. That means you're eliminating meat, chicken, fish, all dairy products, eggs. Also, you're eliminating even the plant fats, the good fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. You eliminate those as well. Also, you must eliminate all oils, which are 100% fat. So olive oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, whichever oil you have, you don't want it. So now you're thinking, what am I going to eat, man? How am I going to live? You're going to live on fruits and vegetables. And believe me, you will not starve, okay? You're going to live fine. And it's going to take, now this is me, this is what I would do. I would eat just fruits and just vegetables. And, you could have a vegetable salad and make a really nice dressing without fat. You could blend, let's say, tomatoes and mango. It's an awesome dressing. So, you could still have a salad. Try and eat a lot of fruit, of course. And I would do that for minimum 2 weeks up to 4 weeks. And that is going to clear the bloodstream from too much fat. Then, when you're going to find as you do this, it's easier and easier to eat more fruit. And it's not going to bother you. It's not going to spike your blood sugar levels because you've eliminated the fat from your diet. When you're constantly putting fat into your system, your bloodstream can never clear. So you have to clear it. It takes 2 to 4 weeks. And then you can go back to eating plant fats like nuts, seeds, and avocados. But now here's the big but: in very small quantities. Every 2 or 3 days, have some avocado or some nuts or seeds, but in small quantities. And your blood sugar levels will stay fine, and you'll be able to get the bulk of your calories from fruit. And when you're getting that, you're getting the best nutrition, you're getting the best hydration, you're getting the best vitamin content, of any food on the planet. So that would be my personal strategy if I had type 2 diabetes. All the best, guys. Please give me a like, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. To your health, success, and fruit up.